Hello, my name is Anna and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for joining. Today I have a super easy, quick recipe to show you guys. It is French toast cinnamon sticks in the air fryer. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. All right, so to make our French toast sticks, what you're going to need is you're going to need some thick slices of bread. I'm just using this Wonder Bread Texas style. 3 eggs. Some pure vanilla, some pink Himalaya salt, just a touch of that, some cinnamon, nutmeg, some Greek yogurt, or if you want to use cream, you can do that, and a type of milk. So I'm just going to use this silk coconut milk. And you'll also want to get some icing sugar and some syrup. So let's get started. First, you're going to start off by cracking your eggs. Take these out and use that for our shells. So we're going to crack all 3 eggs inside of our bowl. You're going to do a pinch of salt. You're going to do a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. And then you're going to do a 1/3 cup of, oops, I should open that up, huh? And then, whoops, 1/3 cup of milk. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're going to want to do a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and cinnamon. I do like cinnamon, so I might add a little bit more. So actually I will add another 1/4 teaspoon of some cinnamon. Okay, now you're just gonna wanna whisk that together, or grab a fork if you don't have a whisk. I do have a whisk, but I didn't grab it. So it's nice and combined. Grab your pan so you can dip your bread in. Just pour that on in there. And what you're gonna do with your bread is you're gonna cut it into like thirds. So they're kind of like sticks. So I'm just gonna do a batch at a time here. I'm not too sure how many mine will hold. So probably no more than 9. You wanna then grab your air fryer pan. You want to put a little piece of liner in there so nothing sticks to the bottom. Just like so. And then from there, you're going to take your bread and you're just going to make sure it's well coated all the way around. And then you're going to place it right onto the parchment paper. And you don't want them to touch because you want them to cook evenly all around. So they should look like something like that. All right, we're gonna pop that into the air fryer and I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay, now you're gonna take your cinnamon sticks and you're gonna put them into the air fryer for 8 minutes. And at about 4 minutes, you're gonna wanna flip them. So you're gonna set this to 8 minutes. And you wanna do it at 375. And then again, check it at 4 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. All right, so yeah, they should come out something like that. I'm just gonna pull these out and we're just gonna start off our next batch. It came out nice and crispy. So yeah, I ended up putting it in 5 minutes on each side actually. So unless your thing is preheated, I would guess 4 minutes on each side would do. All right, so I just put a little bit of powdered sugar. So icing sugar, powdered sugar, I'm not sure what you guys call it, but you just put a little bit of that on the bottom of the tray, and then we're gonna place our French toast sticks on top of that. All right, so you're just gonna do the same thing again. Going to coat it, nicely coat it all the way around. All right, so as my cinnamon sticks are cooking, I made myself a coffee while I wait. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on top here. Place our next batch on top there. Doesn't that look wonderful, guys? Looking good. One more batch to come out. All right, guys, so that's the French toast sticks in the air fryer. I topped it up with some powdered sugar. Obviously, you can add some yummy strawberries. Top it off with some, I have some no sugar syrup, but you can use whatever syrup you guys like. And some people love whipped cream on top of their French toast. So let's plate a little bit of this up, guys. Oh, look at that. Throw a few strawberries on there, huh? Oops. Top it off with a little bit of whipped cream, guys. Voila! French toast sticks with some strawberries and some whipped cream. Can't wait to dig in. So that is how I made the French toast cinnamon sticks in the air fryer. Really easy to make, guys. Quick, yummy, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys would like to see future videos from me, if you could just subscribe down below, that would be wonderful. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.